Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about ART INC, and this is the monthly chart or the long-term chart which you can see on your screen. Now, although the chart has been on the uptrend since 1990 and you can see the stock has given you a return of 6000% over a period of 20 or 30 odd years, but overall the trend is very volatile. And if you can see the current price movement, where you can find that the stock has given a sharp bounce back worth 280 plus percent, indeed makes a lots of difference even in the short term as well as in the long term. So we are going to discuss both of them and what are the upcoming levels on the upside that we are about to achieve in this particular counter. So that's what we are going to discuss over here. So first of all, this is the long-term chart, and as you can see here, okay, so if you are using candlestick chart, there is a breakout. So this is a long-term breakout. Okay, this is a long-term trend breakout, what you can see on your screen, and this has happened above 36.34. Now even if you are using a line chart, so the line chart has already given you that indication. So if you are using line chart, so the breakout has happened above 28 or $29, and even if you are using candlestick chart, so it has happened above $36. So this is the difference. Now because the outbreak has happened and the price has sustained above 36 or $37, so it means that we are ready for a new trend. But first of all, you need to understand that these two support levels, first at 36 and then you have 28 or 29, the stock must not fall below these two levels. Okay, even if it correct or consolidate, it has to happen above 28 or 29 and it should not go below that. So you can consider those two levels as your stop losses. Now we need to discuss about the uptrend, where if I just simply made a line like this, okay, so this is the big support line. Now keeping this line as a base, we are going to discuss about the upcoming uptrend or upcoming big target on the upside for this particular chart. So here we have the downside support and here we have the upside support, upside resistance level. So yep, and because the stock has made such a big breakout, it actually changed the overall chart pattern. Now as you can see here, where are your big support? So your big support lies in between 6.99 or $7, in between $7 and $10 on the downside. Your mid support will come in between 29 and $36. So this will be your stop loss. Now if it sustains above 36 as it is right now, we are looking at a target which will be in between 105 and 157, because we don't know whether it will go in the same fashion as it is right now or whether it will tilt a bit. Okay, we don't know about this situation, but what we do know that with this kind of outbreak, and because it has taken the support level into consideration so beautifully, that the trend actually suggesting an upside, and it will be in between 105 and 157. So you can simply draw a line like this and you will find your best target on or in between these ranges. So that's what we need to look at, and that's where your big target lies, and we will reanalyze it after the stock again makes a breakout, or if there is any change in trend, we will reanalyze it again. But for the time being, what you can see as your big target will be in between 105 and 157. And let me tell you that this is for a monthly chart, so it will take couple of weeks to even couple of months or probably a year for this trend to happen. So if you are in a haste, this is not for short term, so this is for long term chart. So if you can hold, then it will be fine for you. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.